What's up, it's your boy Big B back out here. I'm making another one. People wanted to know how I splice shooting light. Get your light meter, put your fitting on the light port, shoot the light out, go to the tap side, here you go. Put your bulkhead on it, put your brass ring on it already. Put your fitting in, leave the lens cover on, keep it open. Alright, 90, 75, line the end up with 0. Cut it in between the two support rods. Split the wig all the way down to 75. Trim the fiberglass rod. Buffer tube. Trim it down low before 75. Light's still going, it's not damaged. I call this the grip and rip, because when you put your jacket in there, line it up on the 90 mark, grip and rip. Your light's still on, so it's not broken. Take the black jacket, line it up at 90. 50, 45, mark it. Ignore the big one at the top. We're going to go to the middle. Take off just the buffer tube. Scrape down at that 45. At the 50, only take off the buffer tube. That's it. Do not scrape it. Get your fiber optic cleansing solution, rubbing alcohol. Get it wet. Get it squeaky. Get your cleaver. Line it up. Push them both down, slide it in, let go, hit the blue button. Only push the black button because the red keeps that fiber in there. Alright. Brass ring. Put it on that side, pull it forward towards you to lock it.